In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's calendar in Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Teams. This process is incredibly useful when you need to find a convenient time to meet with someone or when you're organizing an event and want to ensure everyone's availability. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start with Microsoft Outlook, the go-to platform for managing your email and calendar in many professional environments. Begin by opening Outlook on your computer. Once you have it open, look towards the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're viewing your calendar, but to check someone else's, there are a few additional steps. Next, look for the option that says Add Calendar. Clicking on this will present you with a few choices. From those, we're interested in the option called From Directory. Select that, and a search bar will appear. Here, you should enter the name of the person whose calendar you wish to view. This tool is really handy because it pulls from your organization's directory, making it easy to search for colleagues. Once you've typed in the name and hit enter, their availability will appear alongside your own calendar. This side-by-side view is incredibly beneficial for comparing schedules quickly. With Outlook covered, let's move on to checking someone's calendar in Microsoft Teams, a popular tool for collaboration and communication. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. Just like in Outlook, you'll find a left sidebar with various options. Navigate to the one labeled Calendar and click on it. This will bring you to your Teams calendar view. From here, we're going to sort out scheduling by using the New Meeting feature. Click on New Meeting, and then focus your attention on a very helpful tool called the Scheduling Assistant. This tool makes it straightforward to see when others are free or busy. Once you select the Scheduling Assistant, you'll see a field labeled Add Required Attendees. In this space, you'll need to input the name of the person or people you want to check availability for. As you type their names, Teams will start to suggest entries from your organization's directory, which can save you some time. And there you have it. Their availability will be displayed, making it much easier for you to schedule meetings at times that work for everyone involved. Both Outlook and Teams provide excellent functionality for managing calendars, and these steps will streamline your process of finding available time slots with colleagues. So whether you're arranging a one-on-one meeting or planning a group event, knowing how to check others' calendars efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity and coordination. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.